Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to build a personal dashboard in Notion step by step using a simple setup that actually works in daily life. If you've seen fancy Notion dashboards online and felt confused, yeah, don't worry. This guide is for beginners and practical users, not aesthetic overload. Let's start from the beginning. Open Notion and make sure you're inside your main workspace. On the left sidebar, click on New Page and name it something like My Dashboard or Personal Dashboard. This page will become your control center. Everything important will live or connect from here. At the top of the page, add an icon and a cover image if you want. This is optional, but it helps your dashboard feel personal and easy to recognize. Now, add a short text block under the title. Write something simple like, "This is my daily workspace." It sounds small, but it helps you stay focused every time you open Notion. Next, let's add your main sections. Create a heading called Today or Quick Access. Under this heading, we'll place the most important things you use daily. Now, create links to your core pages. If you already have pages like tasks, notes, or projects, type / and choose link to page. Add links for tasks, notes, calendar, or anything you use often. If you don't have them yet, you can create new pages directly from here. That's the beauty of Notion. Everything connects. Now let's add a task view. If you have a task database, insert a linked database and filter it to show only today's or pending tasks. This way, when you open your dashboard, you instantly see what needs attention. Next, add a section for notes or ideas. Create a heading called Quick Notes. Below it, add a simple text block or toggle where you can dump ideas, reminders, or thoughts during the day. You can also add a section for habits or goals. This could be a checklist, a small table, or even a simple bullet list. Keep it lightweight. The goal is clarity, not complexity. Now let's talk layout. Notion allows columns. Drag blocks side by side to create 2 or 3 columns. For example, tasks on the left, notes in the middle, and goals on the right. Adjust spacing until it feels comfortable. If you want motivation, add a quote, a progress tracker, or even a calendar view. But again, only add what you'll actually use. One important tip, your dashboard is not permanent. You can change it anytime. As your routine changes, your dashboard should change with you. And that's how to build a personal dashboard in Notion step by step in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more full Notion guides, and I'll see you in the next one.